This video is a quick showcase of the upcoming marketplace replacement by Epic Games called FAB. I will briefly summarize the major additions and changes, as well as what FAB is. FAB is a sort of version 2.0 of the current marketplace for Unreal Engine, and this time it will include not just regular Unreal Engine assets but merges Sketchfab, Quixel, and ArtStation into it. Sketchfab is an excellent 3D model website where you can download and sell your own models. It features an extremely useful live model viewing system which will also be brought over to FAB. Upon FAB's launch, the Sketchfab store will be removed, meaning assets cannot be bought or sold on it anymore. A Sketchfab migration tool will provide sellers with the improved 3D viewer, media galleries, expanded payout options and different settable prices based on licenses. This tool will be available in early October. Any models you have previously purchased on Sketchfab will remain in the Sketchfab profile page. Quixel, which is already integrated into Unreal Engine 5, offers many very high-quality 3D scanned models and materials/surfaces. Upon FAB's launch, Quixel will be moved from the bridge, but can be easily accessed via FAB, which will be newly integrated in Editor. Starting with 2025, the vast majority of Quixel Megascans assets will not be free anymore, so it is recommended to download and store all the models and materials from Quixel that you want now. ArtStation is a platform where you can upload your artwork, and discover many other artists' works. ArtStation will not be migrated to FAB upon its launch but in 2025, at which point a migration tool will also be provided. For ArtStation, only products will be migrated over, while any other type of content on it such as your portfolios and prints will remain on ArtStation. As of September 17th, Epic has made it possible for marketplace creators to migrate their existing products over to FAB using their publishing portal. In early October, new publishers can start joining, with the Sketchfab migration tool being released. The launch date of FAB itself is mid-October. From the launch date up until the end of 2024, publishers on FAB will retain 100% of their earnings on products sold on it, after which the revenue share will be set to 88%, which is a reasonable amount. If you don't migrate by the launch date, Epic will automatically do it, however under an Unreal Engine Marketplace license. Your account will also be transferred to FAB. Any assets you have already got on the marketplace will remain in the Unreal Engine vault, so you will keep them. As of now, the features FAB will have on launch include multi-engine and platform support, allowing the content to be used for any creation, not just Unreal Engine. So you can use game assets from it in Unity or Godot, for example. FAB will have a similar variety of asset types as the current marketplace does, such as 3D models, environments, characters, plugins, and more. It will be integrated in Engine, similar to how Quixel currently is, so you can directly access FAB from in Editor. Real-time 3D model viewer similar to how Sketchfab currently operates, but it will be even more detailed. A powerful search query system enables users to easily filter metadata such as name, file format, and price, etc. Sellers can set different prices of the same product to allow for different licenses. There will also be clear rules for AI so that you can prevent your work from being used in AI generative software. Sellers will also have to clarify if their products were made using any generative AI help, so you can easily avoid AI assets if you want. Epic has also announced their plans to add further collaborations such as Minecraft and Roblox assets, meta-human integration, an updated ratings and review system, product FAQs which will replace the question section which won't be moved over, and a new analytics section so sellers can very easily keep track of how their products are doing. Finally, there is also a great offer to obtain a 6 months free subscription to Adobe Substance Painter and Modeler by either publishing a FAB licensed product or making a minimum purchase of $25. That is all the major announcements for FAB. Here is a preview of the FAB interface. I will link the recent announcement article as well as the other useful FAB articles in the description below if you want to read through everything. You can also visit the Epic developer community if you want information on everything to do with FAB, such as a starter guide and how exactly to migrate assets in further depth. That is all for this video. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.